Well, anybody remember this little guy? Y'all remember this little dude? Porter. Porter. Say hi to everybody. I know you're not gonna smile, but that's alright. Dude's getting big. Well, we have a thunderstorm going on. And it's got some lightning going on and some thundering, and he ain't digging it. Of course, anybody who knows Porter knows that he don't dig it. I got my light on out here. I'll turn it off. Woo! That was a good one. We just happened to catch that one straight on. Yes, sir. That's a good one. That was good lightning right there. Yeah, that right yonder, that storm's going that way. It came from that way. So, kind of let you know. It's going that way. It came from that way. That right yonder is southeast. But yeah, we're getting some good rain. There's a cotton field right yonder. They're just, I'd turn everywhere, but you ain't gonna see them all. That's not the sun, that's a light bulb. But yeah, there's cotton fields. Now it's gonna break back over there. I see a little bit of sun in the break. Yep. Woo! That's a good one. Yeah. That's the way it storms here. That's the way it does. When we get rain, we get quite a bit at one time, and then it just dries up. But man, we sure enough thank the Lord for every drop we get. I tell you, this cotton, we've had some rain before planting, and I think everybody's just about planted now. But let's see, how do I word this? We have probably done better this year than, well, I don't know, in the past 10 years or so, right here where I live is what I'm saying. Our storms are sparse. We don't get widespread rain. We get kind of hit and miss storms, and if it rains over your field, you got lucky, you know. It's God pouring out his water on top of you, and but we've had a change here. There's been, whoa! Man, that was amazing. That was beautiful, wasn't it? But anyway, we've had some really great Lord rain, we call it, because we have irrigation in some places, but other places is just dry land. And when we get it, we call it the Lord's rain, because the Lord's given us some good moisture. But anyway, this is some really good Lord's rain, and we're so thankful. So anyhow, this year is the first year that we're not shown for being in a drought on the drought monitor, just in my small area, and they really are hurting north and northwest of us. But they got some of this too. So I'm happy for them too. You know, God blesses us with what we deserve, and the closer you are to Him, the more you're gonna get. So anyway, just letting y'all see a little bit of this storm that's going on, and I hope all is good in everyone's area that sees this. I pray if you need rain, you get it. And if you don't need rain, well, I pray that it holds off. And as far as all the other craziness going on in the world, well, you know, just stay close to your own thoughts and stay away from the news. You know, just believe in your own, in your heart, and man, just don't worry about what's going on in the world. The people are crazy, and it's not going to be a whole lot longer that we got to put up with this mess anyway. It's all going to get cleared up. So anyway, I'm not real good at this. I'm not a good talker, but you spend a lot of time with yourself, by yourself, and whatever. So you just don't you don't know how to talk to people, and I don't. I had to write my name the other day. I had to go buy some tires. I hadn't picked up a pen or a pencil, and well, other than marking marks, you know, to cut boards and stuff, I hadn't wrote anything forever. My signature looked like a 2-year-old or a 5-year-old or whatever the case may be. I couldn't write. I just don't do it anymore. But anyway, I feel like I'm rambling, but I just wanted to put something out there and tell everybody hello, and thank God for this rain, and say hello to everybody. So anyway, yeah, I'm out of here. Bless y'all. Bye.